Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mira from K-pop Demon Hunters. So first let's get started with the bangs in the center, and we're going to curve this line around and down on both sides. We're going to draw a straight line right in the center from that point, coming up to close off the center of the head. And then now from here, to close off the bangs from the corner, we're going to curve this around and in towards the middle. And then down in the center. Let's come up again one more time. So from this line on the top, we're going to arch this down and through towards the side. Before we draw in the rest of the hair, let's focus on the face. So starting on the bottom to close this off, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For our eyes, now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we're going to step across on the right, leaving a gap in the center, and we're just going to replicate that. Now in the corner of both eyes, for the eyelash, we're going to curve this down and in. Now moving over towards the inside corner, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight of the eye. And then moving down, just replicating that, making that slightly smaller on a diagonal. Now in the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then directly underneath that, drawing in a nice big arch line in the middle. Now let's draw in our eyebrows. So we're going to start at a point here, curving this down, around, and then back through, connecting that at that point. Now let's move down and draw in the body. So directly underneath, we're going to draw in a small curved line for our neck. We're going to come across on the left and right hand side for the t-shirt, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now for the shoulders, we're going to bring this line over and out. And then from that corner for the sleeves, we're just going to close this off, curving this back in on the side. Now from here, coming down in the center, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come up for the torso. And then we're going to close off the skirt by drawing in another curved line, just extending that past those lines. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Let's close this off again with another curved line. Let's add in some details on the shirt and the skirt first. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in a curved line. We're going to replicate this arch motion, but we're going to make our line slightly wavy as we come down. And then again, we're going to replicate that one more time. On both sides now, we're going to draw in another curved line coming out towards the side. Again, moving up, making this slightly wavier as we come all the way over and across on the side. Now one last time up above. Now let's draw in our skirt. So we're going to come down and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the left and right hand side, let's draw in a straight line that comes up above. Let's draw in a small circle directly in the middle. Now stepping on either side of that, we're going to draw in a straight line coming in towards the top. Now directly in the center, let's draw in another straight line coming down towards the bottom. And then to the side of that, bringing that out and then back up. Coming down again, let's curve this around and through on the right. And then for the pockets, we're just going to draw in a curved line on a diagonal, closing that off on both sides. Now let's move across and draw in our arms. So we're going to arch this line up on both sides. On the inside, we're going to draw in a diagonal line, bringing that in towards our sleeve. We're going to step down, curving this line up. And then we're going to draw this diagonal line coming out and through. Closing off the wrist, let's curve this line over. And then moving underneath for the fingers, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. Now let's draw in our legs. So from the center, stepping across on the side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down on both sides. And then we're going to do the same thing, just drawing in a straight line that comes directly down on both sides. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and through on the top. On the top now, let's draw in a diagonal line, closing off the boots. We're going to draw in the star on the side, so we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down. We'll bring this line out, back in. And then we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal and then back through on the side. Now in the middle, let's draw in a rectangle. And then we're just going to draw in 2 straight lines coming across. And now let's finish the rest of her hair. So starting on the top for the hair tie, we're going to curve this around and down. Starting on the top now, we're going to curve this out, down, and through. We're going to continue to extend this down, so we're going to curve this further out and then in. Now from this point, we're going to curve this in towards the top. Coming down again, we're going to arch this line through and then back up. And then from here, just curving this back around and in towards the leg. And then we're just going to draw in another curved line right in the center of the legs for the back of the hair. And then on the top here, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines, so one smaller, stepping down, making this one slightly bigger as we move down towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.